Curtis Robin. How's that for documentation? This was the Boeing Airplane Company plant in 1925.
There's a little red barn.
And there's the red barn right there. And it served them till 1960. Curtis Robin. Boeing B-1D. Stop. There's a young man manufacturing a prop. I would say that's an autogyro. Look at the down thrust in that engine. The Hannibal. Boeing 247 for the DC-3. Beat it out. Model 88 triplane that's sitting out in the main lobby. Dornier flying boat. The Imperial Airways. And model of the Shenandoah. P6E. Lewis. A for B. Douglas World Cruiser. Well, it's going to cost you $5 to get into this museum. It's the 30th of January, 1992. There's a beautiful rainbow for you. It's about 62 degrees here in Seattle. Nice day. That's a Boeing experimental F-86, looks like. Well, goodbye, Seattle Museum of Flight. We're heading out to Puyallup, Washington for the 1992 Northwest Model Exposition. Barnstormers Scale Championships, Lenhart Airstrip in Hubbard, Oregon, 1990. Beautiful day. Well, like I said, it's a beautiful day at Lenhart's Air Park, about a mile or so east of Hubbard, Oregon.
4 miles east of Hubbard, Oregon.
Astoria is here with his Proctor Newport 28. Dave Rawlings with his Proctor Newport 11. And I've got my Albatross here and my Newport 28. Hasn't flown yet though. Art Newland with his Japanese Zero will be up next. Art's from Camas, Washington. A Burt Baker Jap Zero. And these are the intrepid judges, Larry Smith and our good friend Earl Awney. They're bound to give us all 10s if we smile at them. And we got some newcomers to the scale scene. These all Sky Knights, intrepid flyers entering in fun scale this time. Steve Milos, Jim Weaver, and Gary Carter, the fun flyer extraordinaire. Art is preparing his aircraft for a mission.
Hope it's not a kamikaze one.
Gary Holcomb showed up with his F-39, a rebuild job from a wreck at the Northwest Seaplane Championship. He did a lovely job. And Earl Lonnie brought out his small Corsair. He says he likes to practice with this one because it's a little harder to fly than his big one. And Gary Carter with his Cub Super Cruiser. Hero. Art Newland taxiing into place for takeoff. Here's that Ludec, French Ludec or Ludouche ducted fan again that was out at Homer Davenport days. CB Hess is the builder.
Ed Hess, Malala, Oregon.
Has not flown as yet. And we got the famous Steve Milos, president of the Sky Knights, with his new laser. Brand new spanking airplane, flies great. Sato 300 twin. And an F-16, I think from Bend, Oregon. Ducted fan, flies good. Art Newland walks away from another one.
Washington on deck is Luke Lucas.
Electric Cub. Dave Rawlings, a master model builder. Newport 11. Dave Rawlings is up next. His name has just been called. We'll see how this little jewel flies. Luke Lucas on takeoff. Catabria. Made it. Luke Lucas coming in for his landing. Dave Rawlings is going to show it how it's done. It's a French Newport 11. Nice takeoff, Dave. Dave Rawlings. Dave Rawlings for his second flight.
That's hard to do with a Newport 11, keep them going straight like that.
Okay, Micah Barnett's going to show us how to do it here today with his electric Cub. Oh, he's going to...
Reset it. There you go, good.
Micah Barnett. Nice landing.
All right.
How about that? Micah Barnett. Uh-oh, Art Newland's going to have to do it again. Gary Carter's going to show us how it's done now with his Piper Cruiser. The touch and go for Gary Carter coming up. There's the touch.
Perfect, Gary.
There's the go. Excellent. And Gary's down. He's going to walk away from another one. Mike Brewer.
Mike from Astoria.
Astoria. Steve Milo. Fado 300 in the front end.
Portland Barnstormers have this contest at Jack Lenhart's Air Park in Hubbard every year.
Dave Kephart from Bend.
Sorry.
Pretty rough on fiberglass.
Jim Weaver. Good takeoff. Oh, look at that. Jim Weaver.
Excellent.
Well, we're all through for another year at Lenhart's Air Park, Hubbard, Oregon.
However you feel comfortable.
Well, here we are at the Whidbey Island Radio Control Society's flying field, located at the Whidbey Island Naval Air Station Auxiliary Landing Field in Coopville, Washington.
July 1990.
July. About 14 guys registered so far.